How to change colors with the back join. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a super smart way to join a new color in knitting by using the back join. It's a great method for color work techniques where you need to change a yarn at a specific spot and you don't want to weave in ends later on. Let's show you how to knit the back-to-back join. Start by knitting to the exact position where you want to change colors. And then pick up a pin or a needle, or you can also use a paper clip, and mark the position here right at the base of that stitch. So I go right through the yarn with my little pin here, like so. And now I knit 3 or 4 stitches backward. 3 or 4 stitches backward. And now our little pin is here. And the next thing you need to do is you need to pick up the color you want to join and wrap it once around your working yarn, right below that pin. So right here. And now just fold the tail of your old working yarn over it, like so. And now pick up these 2 strands held together the way you normally would. Be careful and make sure that the pin here doesn't move. And then knit 1 stitch with 2 strands held together. Now you can remove the pin. And now you can continue knitting. And as you can see, here is our join right where we want to. And then knit another 3 or 4 stitches. And then you can drop the tail and continue knitting with your new color. And when you come across these double stitches in the return row, just knit across them and purl them together. Treat them as if these double stitches were a normal knit stitch. So purl them together, or if you are knitting in the round, then you obviously have to knit them together. And as you can see, the back join is a super neat way to change colors. Once you washed your project for the first time and you blocked it, you can trim away these ends. Remember to leave a short stop so these ends won't slip through the stitches. Anyway, that's how to change colors in knitting using the back join. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.